Welcome to Future Wheels. What happens when one of the world's most iconic sports cars meets one of the most beloved animated franchises of all time? Well, Porsche and Pixar have just answered that question in spectacular fashion. To celebrate the upcoming release of Toy Story 5, Porsche has unveiled three one-of-a-kind Porsche 911 models inspired by Woody, Buzz Lightyear, and Jessie. These aren't simple paint jobs, they're fully customized creations developed by Porsche's exclusive Sonderwunsch division, alongside Pixar designers. Leading the trio is a Porsche 911 GT3 RS, inspired by Buzz Lightyear, finished in the famous white, green, and purple color scheme of everyone's favorite Space Ranger. It even features special Lightyear tire branding and unique interior details that pay tribute to the character. Then there's the Jessie-inspired 911 Targa 4 GTS, featuring a custom white metallic paint, Western-themed accents, denim-inspired interior touches, and playful details that capture the energetic spirit of the Toy Story cowgirl. And finally, the Woody-inspired 911 Carrera T brings a rugged cowboy vibe with a denim-look exterior finish, vintage-style leather, and hidden Easter eggs for longtime Toy Story fans. The three unique cars made their debut at the Toy Story 5 world premiere and will later be sold as part of a charitable initiative supporting several organizations. Fans online are already calling the collaboration one of Porsche's most creative projects ever, blending childhood nostalgia with serious sports car performance. So, which one would you take home? Woody, Jessie, or Buzz Lightyear? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive news from Future Wheels. Thanks for watching.